Hey guys, it's Sybil Sinz, TrapOpera Singer, and your favorite voice coach. I am also the founder and developer of Singing Made Simple voice method, which was created over 12 years by me, especially for you, the untrained singer who is out here singing every day, and you don't have a clue at all how it works. You're having a hard time supporting your breath. You're not singing the same all the time. And when you move your notes up and down, it's causing tension. Bottom line, you're frustrated, and I get your pain. Although I have been a trained musician since I was 5, I have a degree in vocal performance, and I have paid for years with some of the best voice teachers in this country. I still spent most of that time smiling and nodding and not having a clue. So I took some time out to learn how my voice worked on the most basic level, what little things I could do to reinforce that function, and how I could deliver this information to you. So I learned how to teach by using shared human experiences, how to use imagery to adjust mindsets and reinforce new habits, and how to teach my singers to relax. So if you are an untrained singer and you're singing every day and you're struggling to figure out how it all works, tap my link. Get on a call with me. I promise it will change your life.